Okay, so good day. Like I said in yesterday's video, followed the rules, but obviously should have held for longer because I've got to wait until this green cloud forms, so I could have taken a bit more profit. But anyway, like I said in yesterday's videos, these arrows here, obviously I've got to wait for a retrace, and you can see here at this point, there's an arrow closed inside. That was a clue that it was going to go up. Fake out here, and then it'll retrace back down. So, and that's what I did exactly here. So you can see took this one, but closed it early. You can see it was a $30 trade, taken at 7.46, closed it at $30 minus because it wasn't the right trade. So I knew it to close. Obviously, that was in a loss. This one I did take, but I moved my stop, but didn't actually move my take profit, so it stopped me out at 120, which I suppose is still a good trade because went down further, so it would have stopped me out anyway. So yeah, worked out. This one again, I took the same trade purely because it stopped me out. So I thought the entry was good. It stopped me out. But the reason why I took this trade actually was perfect, really. And this is the setup I should be looking for: is arrow broke in, went up, retraced, back down to the purple, wicked down to the purple, then went for a long at that point. So I knew at that point it was going to go up. So I just held the trade. Plus I got an indicator dot here, but I was already in the trade at that point. So arrow, retrace down to the purple, green line inside and bottom of the candle. Went back up. Uh, Silly of me, really, because I did have take profit here. I suppose I would have edged a little bit more. But what I should have done is just went to the bottom of this candle, this retrace, seeing that the purple line was in the bottom, so there was still room for it to go up, and wait for this green cloud to appear. So probably would have just got out at this point, but yeah, probably around here. So that would have been an extra. Well, that would have been 13R. So that would have been cool. But yeah, took out too early. But yeah, if I was paying attention, I was doing something else. This one was solid, so you can see these dots were created, went straight into the green, wicked into it, went to the light blue, went inside the candle. I'm not sure where I would have got in at this point, but I would have seen it, red cloud being formed here. Probably would have tried to enter here at the kind of the start of the blue, or waited for it to break above the purple. But either way, it was drawn out for me. So went to this, knew it was going to go up because of this wick inside the this line and these dots, and then knew it was going to go to this point here. So it drawn it out for me. So that would have been even better trade than this one, to be fair. But yeah, missed out. But it's fine. So my account is, so that was 960 that trade. Obviously, I've gone up to 3 contracts. So before I was just doing $40, but now 3 contracts, 120 risk. And yeah, like I said, the principle is I can't go past this purple line, otherwise I'm out of the trade anyway. So yeah, unfortunately I took that loss of 240. So my account now is, so yeah, these losses, obviously I was only 400 away from losing the account. So I'm back to 336. So just yeah, trying to catch up to the 50, but still good. Happy with the performance today. So yeah, that's it basically. You want to know more? Like, comment, subscribe, uh, and share any comments if you have any comments as well about your trading. Could help. All right, cheers, bye.